Well, ahoy there, mateys! I spy with my little eye something beginning with D. D. Yes, door. Well done. Here is a super simple way to make a paper telescope with your students. Today, why not? All you need are 2 empty paper kitchen rolls like these, and you're going to cover them with black paper. Oops. Like this. All you need to do is just roll it up and there you have it. Cover both of them. Then you're going to have a paper cup with a hole cut out at the bottom. You're going to cover that with tissue paper and you're going to attach that paper cup to the tube, the bigger tube that you have of your telescope, and there you have. Just all you need to do is cover it with some paper and some coloured decorations like that, some stars, feed that through, and there you have your telescope. Great also for playing I Spy and directions. Why not? Look to the sky, look to the ground, look left, look right, look all around. Fantastic for spending the afternoon reading Shark in the Park by Nick Sharratt, who has a telescope in the book as well. Fantastic. Give it a go. Your paper telescope. And let me know how you get on. Until next time, remember, be theatrical.